In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Badoo app. So if you want to get the latest version of this app, the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for the latest update and then update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So for you to be able to get the latest version of this app or to find any update for this app, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Android here and then look for Google Play Store. And from Play Store here, I'll search for the app and look at that. Here is my app. And as you can see, we have an update available. This means I've been using an outdated version of Badoo dating app. So to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Badoo app without any issue. So by updating your app, you'll be able to fix any issues such as bugs as well as security issues. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.